Kurumirira wongerereku wa utemi na uthukangia wa miti mititu-ini, Ruhonge rwa kuramata mititu nirukanjite Marua manana ma uruti wa wira wa agethi a miti aria makoretwo mategithingata mawatho maria maiguithaniirio riria mararuta wira wao.
Kenya Forest Service Management had suspended 8 sawmiller licenses for violation of conditions of their licenses. My board has cancelled these licenses forthwith. Any miller flouting the conditions of their licenses shall henceforth have their licenses cancelled.
Ruhonge ruru ni rutafanitie mogaruruku hari urugamiriri wa mititu itiganite guku bururi-ini makiria kaunti-ini cia Lamu, Kilifi, Samburu, Garissa na Bungoma. Amwe yao makiheo rutha rwa ihinda hari guthurimwo uria mangikorwo manyitite itemi hari uthukangia wa mititu na angi metereire guthurimwo.
Kenya Forest Service officers shall bear personal responsibility for illegal activities that may occur in areas of jurisdiction. The head of conservancies, ecosystem conservators, station managers shall bear the brunt of any illegal activities in their areas. We're reminding each head of conservancy that they're responsible for his or her conservancy. If any of the officers below him or her is culpable, the disciplinary process shall result in the suspension of the head of conservancy.
Oho nirugite nginyagia riu kuri andu maiketio ngono na magakinyio igoti-ini iguru ria ciiko cia utemi wa miti utari mwitikirie na kwagarara mihaka ya mititu.
If you go to our forest stations, you'll find a lot of exhibits still sitting there waiting for court decisions. So we do have. The thing we have to do now is find a way of, in fact, the problem is our stations are full of a lot of these exhibits. We've got a lot of wood, we have a lot of bicycles, we have a lot of chainsaws. You know, it's a matter of what do we do with these when the court process is still going on.
Macio magithiaga na mbere, Ministry ya maturigiciirie ni ithugundite kamiti ya mwanya ya andu 17 na iria wira wao munene ugukorwo ari gutafania uthuthuria wa kiria gitigaririire mititu-ini guku bururi-ini undu umwe na uthukangia wa miti. Kamiti no igutongorio ni wa Kamau uria ni muikariri giti wa gikundi kia Green Belt Movement, Linda Chepkorir uria ni munini wa muikariri giti wa thukuru wa mathomo ma maria maturigiciirie, Phyllis wa Kiaga uria ni murugamiriri munene wa gikundi kia thondeki ya indo, Isaac Kalua uria ni muikariri giti wa ruhonge rwa kuramata ithima cia mai guku bururi-ini na angi 13. Stephen Kinguyu na Irene Kamunge megukorwo mari andiki kamiti-ini ino. Guthurima mitaratara iria ikoretwo kuoya tabarĩra cia kuhanda miti na matunda mayo. Guthurima uria kigina kiria kiuma mititu-ini kihuthikaga hari kugacirithia mititu na kuheana mendekithia ma guthaitira mititu na ithima cia mai. Kurumirira kurugamio kwa utemi wa miti, kaunti-ini ya Narok andu anana ni maiketio ngono ni undu wa gutwarithia na mbere mihango eyo mutitu-ini wa Mau. Ni mamwe ma makinya maria maratacukio ni Ministry ya maturigiciirie guku bururi-ini niguo gutigira bururi wa Kenya ndunatuika weru na uguo gucungiriria wagi wa mai na wagi wa irio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njita Kamau wa Mwangi.